whoa! This is the AIPER Cordless Pool Cleaner, robotic pool cleaner that lasts up to 50 minutes. This thing is a Seagull 600. Woo! Boom! AIPER Cordless Pool Cleaner, the Seagull 600. Boom! AIPER right here. Nah. AIPER Robotic Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Use your manual AC to charge your AIPER Cordless Robotic Vacuum. We got this piece right here. Check out the hook. Boom! AIPER. The AIPER. Pushing the button right here. Boom! On top. Nice. You can open this up. 1, 2, 3. Open it. Oh, the inside. You see at the motor, you got the power button right there. The battery's in here. Huge battery that lasts for 50 minutes. You got the filter right here. All the nasty stuff gets trapped in the filter right here. Nice fine mesh filter. There's a pool cleaner right there. So simple. You got wheels at the bottom for easy navigation. And once you're ready, you put this thing on right here and you're ready to rock and roll again. Boom. Boom. Plug in the other end right here into the pool cleaner right here. You plug it in right there and you plug this into a wall. That's how you charge your AIPER Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The AIPER Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Ah, yeah!